Hi, you're looking at a like-new, gorgeous Lexus ES350 Sedan. I'm just going to give you a walk around of the body right now so you can see how this Lexus looks. It's in excellent shape all around. Hardly a scratch on the entire body. And I'll show you the interior. It's very clean and it's never been smoked in. Show you the rear as well. This Lexus does have, it will unlock as soon as you walk up and touch the doorknob if your key is in your pocket, so it's keyless entry. And as we jump in here, you'll see it only has 11,000 miles. I'll show you that in a second. I'll focus on that for you. Oh, let me turn on the car so it'll show. Sorry about that. $11,000 miles. Here's the control screen. Excellent sound system. Here you have heated as well as cooled seats for driver and passenger. Dual zone climate control right here. Your controls for radio, media, etc. Here's your steering wheel mounted controls. Here we have our speedometer, odometer, as well as controls and settings you can go through. Here we have controls for parking sensors, as well as blind spot monitoring. If you see there on the mirror, that's the blind spot monitor. So it will tell you when you're about to change lanes and there's a vehicle in your blind spot. Here's the control pad. Here we have a cup holder, and you can close it back like that or hold it in like that. Sorry, I didn't lock it in place. There it is. Push it there and it will close. Here's a second cup holder. We have sunroof here. These are touch sensitive lights. Your garage door openers, as well as auto dimming rear view mirror. Controls for the sunroof up here. And if you want to connect, call for help, this will do that. This does have a bunch of cool features in here. Let me see if I can show you. Here we have the info, and if we choose that, you can see your fuel consumption over time. And this is very cool. This is a traffic map. It'll actually show you the roads, so you see where the traffic is. You can control and look around, and it will show you where you are in relation to that. You can also check the weather, our current weather, as well as other cities. You can do that as well. Current weather where we are is 36 degrees Fahrenheit. That was as of 5 minutes ago. So, very nice loaded Lexus ES350, and I'm going to take you for a ride now. I'm going to put into drive, and I'm going to put on my seatbelt so it doesn't beep at me. I'm going to pull in here and turn for you. Sorry, this is a bumpy road, but you'll get a good idea of how the car drives, and it is so smooth. Really, like, you know, that's how Lexus designs their cars, to be extremely smooth, very comfortable, even in bumpy weather, very quiet interior. yet the car has a lot of power, and it's still a lot of fun to drive. It really is quite amazing what they do, the folks at Lexus. It is made by Toyota, so you know it's got excellent reliability. So really it's the best of both worlds: quiet, safe, comfortable, as well as fun to drive and sporty as well. And even if I hit the gas here, accelerates quite strongly, a lot of fun, and still comfortable even as we went over those bumps and holes in the road. So this is the 2016 Lexus ES350 Sedan. It's beautiful inside and out. It's clean, it's never been smoked in. So if you're looking for a 2016 Lexus sedan, and you're looking for one that's really like new, for an excellent price, this is a perfect choice. Give us a call, 617-538-2099, 617-538-2099. Thank you very much and have a great day.